What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about this crypto here called Tone, also known as TE Food, which has pumped up over 40% in the last 24 hours and currently valued at 0.01142 cents. So we're going to be looking at, is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to crash back down? And mainly looking at, is it time to invest into the crypto? Is it too late? Or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it and take out your profit? Or is it simply time to hold on to the crypto? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, as well as looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023, how high and how low this crypto can go, and is it a crypto worth investing into in 2023. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the Coinbase website. The market is down 1.4% in the last 24 hours, nothing major, and we do have TE Food as the top gainer in the last 24 hours, which is absolutely insane. So zooming into the hourly chart, it has dropped 7% in a single hour, which is not good, but again, it's not major compared to how much it's gained over the last, not even 24 hours, potentially over the last approximately 12 hours. It has gained an insane amount of value. It did hit about 58% earlier on today, over the week 34%, and over the month 14%, because it has been slowly and steadily dropping in value for the last 3.5 weeks, all the way up until earlier this morning, or even earlier 12 hours ago, where it started to pump up in value. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 1,000%, making it $1 million in trading, which is a huge percentage increase, guys. We're seeing a lot more people trading the crypto. We're seeing a lot more buyers, a lot more sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading it, as it is one of the top gainers. So more and more people are looking into the project. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Tone, which is here in purple at just about 0.008 cents. However, it is trading at much higher value here at just over 1 cent, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what do we have here? We do have the blue line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. One's looking bullish and one's looking bearish. What I am expecting over the next 12 to 14 hours, essentially by midday to tomorrow afternoon, is an overall drop in value from TE Food. So potentially dropping below the 1 cent target is what I'm expecting. Again, that does not mean it's going to start crashing right now. Of course not. It's likely to pump up a little bit higher to about 0.013 to 0.015 cents over the next couple of hours before it slowly starts to drop back down below 1 cent towards midday tomorrow, early in the hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we're looking very bullish, very positive, guys. We've got both the blue and the orange line heading upwards. However, they are looking way too steep, meaning it's not realistic. So essentially what I am expecting over the next 7 to 8 days, so let's say by mid next week, is an overall drop in value from TE Food once again, guys. And at this point, we should essentially be trading around 0.007 cents. So yeah, at a much lower value than where it is at the moment. But again, that doesn't mean that it's going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7-8 days. It's likely to hit green days in between, up and down, quite volatile. but the red days are likely to overtake the green days, meaning an overall drop in value is what I'm expecting from TE Food over the next 7 to 8 days, dropping just below 0.007 cents. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Still looking bullish, still looking positive, and still looking quite steep, guys, meaning it's not realistic once again. But at this point, guys, so when we're looking at the daily chart, we are talking about the next 6 to 8 weeks essentially. So early to mid-October 2023, I am expecting TE Food to be more or less trading around the 2 cents target at a much higher value than where it is at the moment. That is if the crypto market manages to stay on the green side. So I am expecting the crypto market to move towards the bullish direction for the rest of the year. That is including not just TE Food but the crypto market in general, which of course also includes Bitcoin. I'm expecting it to hit over $35,000 by the end of the year. So guys, we should essentially see TE Food trading around the 2 cents target as well. However, if there are any major changes or updates that come across for the crypto market that can have a either positive or negative impact on the value of any cryptocurrencies, I will of course keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone and we are in the lower part of the red zone, guys, and we've got quite a long way for us to hit the green zone. It's going to require us to hit the 3 cents target, which I'm not expecting from TE Food at the moment. Potentially towards the very end of the year to early next year is when I'm expecting TE Food to be hitting the 3 cents target, but we're not going to go there right now because we've still got a long way. But at the end of the day, guys, as long as it's slowly and steadily moving towards a positive direction, we should be good to go. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on TE Food, guys. What I want you guys to do is let me know what is the highest figure you guys are expecting this crypto to hit in 2023. Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.